Let's get you the latest this morning on Bihar's fight against coronavirus. In terms of testing, the situation in the state seems to be going from bad to worse. Ankit Tyagi gets you this ground report about how getting tested in Patna seems to be almost a Herculean task.
Testing, tracing and isolation. The three mantras for containing COVID spread. But what if we falter at the very first level? That is testing. That is what has happened in Bihar. So far, only over 3,400 people per million have been tested. Just half of its neighbor Uttar Pradesh, which itself is a laggard in testing. On the ground, this has forced people to run pillar to post just to get tested. This 70-year-old man with a severe heart condition had to wait hours in his car with oxygen support. He was tested positive by a private lab, but the test result did not grant him admission in any hospital.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट के पीछे पड़े हुए हैं, हमको गवर्नमेंट होते प्राइवेट भी कोई ट्रीटमेंट करने के लिए तैयार है। जितने हॉस्पिटल का नॉमिनेटेड है बिहार में, पटना में कि ये कोरोना का ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे, सारे हॉस्पिटल को हम फोन करके देख लिए, इमरजेंसी तो घूम के आ गए, बोले नहीं मेरे पास अभी कोई सुविधा नहीं है और अभी सिर्फ ऐसा नहीं है, जो पेपर में निकाला गलत निकाला है।
पारस, रूबन और मेडिका हार्ट हॉस्पिटल, एम्स, पीएमसीएच, एनएमसीएच, पूरे पटना 2 दिन से सर भटक रहा हूँ मैं पूरे पटने में 2 दिन से मैं भटक रहा हूँ। इसी तरह जब जाता हूँ घर पे से निकलना रहता है, ऑक्सीजन गाड़ी में सेट करता हूँ, पिताजी को लेता हूँ, उसका चल देता हूँ।
काफी 2 घंटे से गाड़ी में ऑक्सीजन लगाए बैठे हुए 70 साल के बुजुर्ग आदमी हैं। तो
India Today reporters intervened and managed to get this critical patient tested again at the state government's new Gardiner Road Hospital. But at the testing facility, the situation was only going from bad to worse. Long queues and a wait without any distancing.
Look at the number of people and look at the social distancing and other things that have been followed. I mean, there are so many people in one spot. There is very dangerous hazard. I mean, these suits and everything that people, those who have been working here, have been disposing of. Even if you don't have corona, you might in fact get an infection coming just to get a test.
A technician, the only one at the hospital, admitted that most of the staff have tested positive, leaving her alone to take the testing burden.
अभी हम 90 जांच कर चुके हैं
सुबह से।
Yes.
अच्छा।
And still one list is just टेक्नीशियन में अकेले मुझे आधा टेक्नीशियन बीमार पड़ गया जहाँ भी थे तो और मैं खुद जांच हो सकता है मैंने पॉजिटिव निकली खैर अभी तो फिट लग रही हूँ तो कर रही हूँ।
One thing is clear. The Nitish Kumar government's tall claims that the crisis is well under control is falling flat on ground. With Ankit Tyagi in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
India Today's ground report from AIIMS Patna exposes the condition of the health facilities in the state, where more than 10,000 cases have been reported so far. Ankit Tyagi gets you this news report.
Just a few hours after we helped a critically ill 70-year-old Mahendra Kumar to get tested, he was shockingly again denied admission at AIIMS Patna, which is a COVID-dedicated facility.
सिचुएशन है कि यहाँ पर जिनका पैरवी हो रहा है वो उतना आकर देखें हम कि जिनका पैरवी है उनका एडमिशन हो रहा है, नॉर्मल आदमी का यहाँ पर कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है।
अभी आपके पिताजी अंदर हैं?
अभी पिताजी को अंदर सिर्फ रखा है और उसके बाद बोल रहा है कि आप ले जाइए यहाँ से।
When India Today reporters asked why Kumar was not being attended to at the hospital, nobody was ready to give any answers. No explanation was forthcoming from the hospital. By then, hours had passed and nobody was even bothered to attend to Mahendra Kumar. His desperate sons were told that no beds were available in the ICU.
डॉक्टर जो देखने के बाद बोला कि इनका सिचुएशन खराब है, मेरे पास कोई बेड नहीं है, हम यहाँ नहीं रख सकते हैं।
आईसीयू पे कोई बेड नहीं है?
आईसीयू में कोई बेड नहीं है।
We finally got hold of a doctor at AIIMS. We appealed to him to give it in writing so that Mahendra Kumar could get admission elsewhere.
सर अंकित त्यागी दिस साइड मेरी अभी आपसे बात हुई थी जस्ट शॉर्ट वाइल बैक सर मैं आपसे बस ये दोबारा पूछना चाह रहा था कि आपने सर हैव यू इंस्ट्रक्टेड देम बिकॉज अभी तक भी नोबडी इज रेडी टू गिव देम इन राइटिंग कि आप यहाँ पे ले जाइए हमारे पास बेड नहीं है
नहीं दे देंगे वो तो लड़के लोग उसको ऑक्सीजन लगाए होंगे ना
उनको ऑक्सीजन लगा हुआ है अंदर जी ऑक्सीजन लगा हुआ है
हाँ तो फिर स्टेबल कर रहे होंगे तो
नहीं वो बार बार उनको बोल रहे हैं कि आप इनको ले जाइए पर ले जाएं तो उससे पहले कम से कम कुछ लिख के तो दे देना उनको वो कहीं और हॉस्पिटल में जाएंगे वहां पे भी उनको यही सुनेंगे कि आप कहां से आए हैं
नहीं लिख के दिलवाएं
Another attendant of a patient told us how he had to use political influence to get his mother admitted at AIMS after being denied admission for days.
मेरी मदर यहाँ एडमिट है और उनको मैंने डायरेक्ट रजिस्ट्रेशन कराया बट वो सीट नहीं ले रहे थे तो मैंने हायर कंसर्न मतलब कि मंगल पांडे जी जो यहाँ के हेल्थ मिनिस्टर है बिहार के उनसे कंसर्न कराया गया तब जाके मेरी मदर का यहाँ पे एडमिशन हुआ
You were saying something about going to hell. Would you like to repeat that comment on camera? After running away from your responsibility, Mr. Kumar, Mr. Singh? No, I know that, but I was just asking you that you said something on the phone, so I want a reaction from you on camera. Would you like to say the same thing? Repeat it on the camera. He's the medical director of All India Institute of Medical Sciences. I just spoke to him regarding our patient, and what I was told was that I am not responsible for, in fact, answering to you. हाथ पहले हाथ में दूसरा हाथ पीछे रखिएगा हाथ पहले पीछे रखिएगा कोरोना का टाइम है आप किसी को हाथ नहीं लगा सकते नाउ लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई एंड गेट सम आंसर्स फ्रॉम द अदर्स वी हैव टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस बिकॉज यू आर नोबडी फ्रॉम योर हॉस्पिटल इज आंसरिंग एंड इफ यू हैव अ प्रॉब्लम why don't you call up I will not why don't you call up the police and throw me out
why don't you go outside and stand near the gate
why should I do that ma'am nobody stopped me at the entrance you should have given clear instructions not to let the media in I came here to get some answers which nobody from your administration seems to be
got
no
by the nodal officer
nobody has given any answers
they have clearly told you
what all right so we'll put this on air because this, ladies and gentlemen, tells you how responsive the administration is to the media. If they are not responsive to the media, you can very well imagine what will be the plight of the patients, those who are admitted at this very institute, which calls itself an institute of excellence, which is one of the main facility as far as the COVID-19 fight in against coronavirus in Bihar, Patna is concerned.
The AIMS hospital administration's reaction to a critically ill patient was quite unexpected. Realizing there was no hope at AIMS, Mahendra Kumar's sons said they were leaving to try their luck in another hospital. With Ankit Tyagi in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.